Hey everyone! Welcome to Quiz Cola Challenge, the ultimate quiz challenge. Hi there! Today, Koala is coming in hot with a wild new challenge. Can you guess the country just by its national animal? Let's see how globally smart you really are. Join the Quiz Koala family. Please subscribe now and stay tuned for more awesome quizzes. Get your brain in gear. Let's go! This rare mountain beast is the national animal of which peaceful kingdom? Bhutan. Can you guess the country from this national animal? Ireland. Which country calls this clever animal their national symbol? Canada. Strong, mysterious, and part of many legends. This wild animal is the national symbol of which country? Estonia. Which country calls the Komodo dragon its national animal? Indonesia. Which country honors the green pheasant as its national bird? Japan. Which country honors the jaguar as a national symbol? Brazil. Which country proudly calls the tiger their national animal? Bangladesh. Which country calls the Andean huemul one of its national animals? Chile. The Karabakh horse is a symbol of pride and cultural heritage. Can you guess the country? Azerbaijan. Which country has the red squirrel as a national symbol? Denmark. Which country is represented by the Gallic rooster? France. Which country honors the trogon as its national bird? Cuba. Can you guess which country claims the lion as a national icon? Ethiopia. Which country holds the cow as its national animal? Nepal. Can you guess which country honors the markhor as its national animal? Pakistan. Which country proudly honors the elephant as its national animal? Laos. Which country proudly features the red kangaroo as a national symbol? Australia. The brown bear is the national animal of which country? Finland. How about Arabian camel? Saudi Arabia. The largest of the falcons. Which country calls the gerfalcon its national bird? Iceland. Which country calls the red-billed streamertail its national bird? Jamaica. Which country considers the zebra a national animal? Botswana. How about dolphin? Greece. Which country honors the resplendent quetzal as its national animal and even names its currency after it? Guatemala. How about white-tailed deer? Honduras? With giant ears and desert smarts, which country considers the fennec fox a national animal? Algeria. Which country calls the fluffy, calm, and bamboo-loving giant panda its national animal? China. How about the Baird's tapir? Can you guess? Belize. How about the carabao, also known as the water buffalo? Can you guess? Philippines. Which country is famously associated with the kiwi? New Zealand. Which country honors the pine marten as a national animal? Croatia. Can you guess which country honors the mysterious snow leopard as its national animal? Afghanistan. Which country calls the Arabian oryx its national animal? Qatar. Can you guess which country has the springbok as its national animal? South Africa. How about bald eagle? Can you guess? United States. Can you guess which country has the giraffe as its national animal? Tanzania. Final challenge. How about fallow deer? Can you guess? Antigua and Barbuda. How many did you get right? Make sure to comment your score below. And don't stop now. Tap here to play the next quiz and keep your brain buzzing. Subscribe for daily quiz challenges and become a trivia legend.